Welcome back to Appliance Educator. Today I'm going to teach you how to clean your dishwasher. Today we have an 18-inch ZLINE stainless steel dishwasher. And the first steps are we're just going to take out the racking. This racking gets used in the dishwasher regularly, so it shouldn't be too dirty. The next thing we're going to look at is the drain and the filter. If there's any excess gunk or buildup in there, you're going to want to just clean it out with a rag. Then the filter itself, depending on the manufacturer of your dishwasher, it should be pretty simple to get out with the basic screwdriver set. And you're going to let that soak in some hot soapy water for about 10 minutes and then go over it with an old toothbrush or something similar to that bristle strength. All right, so the next thing we're going to look at is the spray arms. And the spray arms have these holes that shoot the water out. And so we don't want those holes to be blocked with debris or grease. The easiest way to clean these out is with a piece of wire or pipe cleaner and just pop through and give it a little scrub. All right, so the final step is a pretty simple and basic step. We're going to get a rag, a soapy wet rag, and just wipe down any rubber seals you see along these insides and get out the excess food and debris that might be stuck in there. That can cause some really bad smells and odors that you don't want in your dishwasher. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have suggestions on videos you'd like to see in the future, leave us a comment below.